Jones, and welcome to Gordon Guitar, Babyface and Coco Jones song called Simple. So this one is a chill one, and yeah, great to learn and fun to play as well. So let's do this together. We have the capo set here on the first fret, and with that 4 chords. So let's look at the chords first. We have the F here. That's a bar chord. You place your finger here, index finger, over all strings, and the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Next one is A minor, so that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have G next, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And the final chord will be D minor. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. Yep, so for 4 chords, F, A minor, G, and D minor. So we're gonna look at the strumming pattern first, so we are ready for the actual song. And F will be the first chord, so grab that one. One strumming around will be down, 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 clap, down, down. So 3 downs, clap, then 2 downs, like this. 1, 2, 3, clap, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, clap, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, simple as a song. So with that, we're gonna look at the chord progression. So the first verse, you will have the chord progression F, 2 string rounds, then A minor 1 and G1. That chord progression you play for 2 rounds, like this. F, F, A minor, G. That part for 2 rounds, and that is the first verse. And you're gonna play a second verse right after, and you play it in the same way. So actually it will be 4 rounds of this F2, A minor 1, and G1. That's the both verses covered there. That takes us to the first chorus in the lyrics, remember back when we. So we will still keep on with the same strumming pattern, just different chords now. You're gonna go over to D minor, play 1 round, F 1 round, A minor 1 round, and G 1 round. That chord progression you play for 2 rounds. I'm going to show you 1 round of this chord progression, starting with D minor 1. Play that for 2 times, and that is your chorus. That takes us to this third verse. It's played in the same way as the both previous verses, so nothing changes there. And the second chorus that comes right after, played in the exact same way as the chorus we just learned. You know what? After the second chorus comes another chorus right after, so it's actually 2 choruses and nothing changes there. So it's still just playing in the same way, the choruses and the verses, and then it ends with a final outro. Very easy. You're gonna play F2, A minor 1, and G, just 1 down. And that is, my friends, how Babyface and Coco Jones Simple ends. So a very simple song to play as well, same strumming pattern, pretty easy chords, and voila, you are set with this song. So thank you for watching, guys. Play tuned.